So we're given that A is this matrix here and B is this matrix here, and that C is equal to A times B. We want to state the order of A. Well, it's got 3 rows and 2 columns, so it's a 3 by 2 matrix. Now C is AB, so we've got 3, 1, negative 1, 2, 4, 5. And then we've got 1, negative 2, 3, 0. So we're doing a 3 by 2 matrix multiplied by a 2 by 2 matrix, so that will give us a 3 by 2 result. So top row times the left column, 3 add 3, which is 6. Then top row times right column is 3 times negative 2, negative 6 and 0. Then we'll have negative 1 add 6, which is 5. Then we'll have 2. Then we're going to have 4 and 15, which is 19. And negative 8. Okay, so we now have a matrix called X, which we can see here, and we want to find the inverse of that matrix. So, well, let's have a look at the determinant of X first. That's going to be negative 35, take away negative 48. So that is 13. So the inverse is going to be 1 over 13. Swap the leading diagonal, so negative 7 and 5, and then take negatives of the other diagonal. So we get that. And then using that matrix, we want to solve these simultaneous equations, essentially. So we need to do a bit of rearranging here. So 5x minus 12y equals 26, if we remove that one around. And then we've got 4x minus 7y equals 52. So those coefficients fit perfectly with this matrix. So we can make that into a matrix equation. So we can make that into 5, negative 12, 4, negative 7, x, y equals 26, 52. And then what we need to do is multiply on the left by the inverse matrix. So negative 7, 5, 12, negative 4 times our 5, negative 12, 4, negative 7, xy is equal to 1 over 13, negative 7, 12, negative 4, 5, 26, 52. Of course, all of that just becomes the identity, and so we have xy, and then we just need to do some calculation. So you might need to calculate for this. The numbers are quite big. Don't want to make a silly mistake. So got negative 7 multiplied by 26, add 12 times 52, so that's 442. So we've got 1 over 13, and that first one's 442. And then we have negative 4 times 26, add 5 times 52, that gives me 156. So x is going to be 442 divided by 13, 442 divided by 13, which is 34. And then y is 156 divided by 13. I'm pretty sure that's 12. Indeed it is. So just go, it said coordinates, so I need to give the final answer as coordinates. So 34, 12.